Welcome back. My name is Courtney, and I'm a customer service representative for Techniform Moccamaster, and we're here to answer question number 4 about the most common questions we get here at customer service. So number 4 will be, how do I clean that brown residue from the bottom of my thermal stainless steel carafe? Well, you can try Clean Calf, which we talked about in the last episode. That will do a great job of getting rid of organic material and coffee oils. If it's really stubborn, we have a little trick that we do recommend. You can use electric dishwashing detergent, like the kind you put in your dishwasher, not Dawn, like you'd wash your dishes in the sink, but something like Cascade. Put a little squirt of that down inside of your thermal carafe, add some hot water, give it a little swirl, leave it to soak in the sink overnight. When you come back in the morning, go ahead and dump that out, give it a rinse, and it should be sparkly clean again, like brand new. If it's really bad, you might have to do it a few times, but the results should speak for themselves. It'll be easy to clean, no scrubbing involved. Always a good choice.